So today we're going to open up the Melissa and Doug Let's Explore hiking play set. This set has 23 pieces and is recommended for ages 3 and up. Let's check it out. Okay. All right. Oh, so cute. Okay. So right out the gate, we have a backpack. This is really cute. Okay. We have our cute little backpack. Has a few different storing opportunities. Little pouch with some plastic you can see right inside. We'll pull those items out in a second. We have some mesh pockets. We have, oh, this is cute. A little felt piece with some Velcro so that you can attach something, loop it right there on the front. Really nice. We have a little carrying loop. Just a pretty typical, cute little backpack. On the back, there's some buckles that, let's see. Oh, nice. Yeah, so if you wanted to undo that, maybe just carry it by the loop. A couple different ways to utilize the straps. Unvelcro so that you can wear it. That's nice. Little zipper storage. Decent sized backpack. Also, what I'm noticing, because we have a 4-year-old and he loves Blippi. I'm just going to put it out there. Blippi colors. Orange and blue. Really nice. Very vibrant. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Oh, perfect. A little SPF. Cute little bottle of sunscreen. Really important when you're going out on your adventures. Let's see. It opens up. Actually does kind of squeeze. You can undo the lid. Maybe you could put a little something in there, maybe a little lotion, so it actually feels like they're doing their sunscreen. That's wonderful. Got to protect that skin. Oh, nice. Oh, so cute. Okay. So in here, this little pouch, we have, oh, cute. Okay. We have a few different pieces, but what I noticed right out the gate were little footprints. And these are double-sided, different paw prints for different kinds of animals. So this one in particular, it also shows a little bear. So you can tell that this is a bear paw print. Maybe this is a dog. Made out of plastic. This is really, really good plastic. Not terribly concerned about this bending or breaking. You would have to apply quite a bit of force. That's awesome. You get a lot of these pieces. You also have a little raccoon foot. Oh, an eagle and a fox. And it would appear that these are maybe pretty accurate. So your child will have an opportunity to do a little tracking on their own. That's really cute. Like that. We have maybe a little name tag. It has a spot to, that looks like it could go on this piece on the backpack. Yeah, nice. So you can put your child's name. That's cute. There's a little, like a carabiner loop. You can attach different things to that. Let's see. We have a little pencil to mark things. Looks like maybe in our, we have like a little field guide. That's cute. You can put your child's name, address, and they can do a little activity. They can match the animal with the paw prints, can mark with the pencil, and that will rub right off. I think especially, I'm using my finger and it's going away pretty easily. So that's awesome. Sometimes when you have something that marks and if the mark doesn't remove, well then what good is that play? But that's really thoughtful. See what's inside. We have our supply list. Always really important when you're going out on adventures. Make sure you have the right supplies, which makes the play more realistic. Different locations, so a forest. Maybe you're going hiking in the mountains, going to the beach, maybe just going to the park. Different weather, and you can mark your observations. What I really like about that is, so a lot of the toys are really good for fine motor skills, but also what you're observing, right? So when we're looking out into the world, what do we see? That's a great little spot. And then on the back, we have different tools, different things that they do. That's really nice. Okay. And also in different languages too, I'm noticing. So French, there's Spanish, German. That's wonderful. Very nice. We'll just prop that up. This is nice. So this is a wood piece. I thought it was something that opened. It's just a rectangular piece. This is pretend food. So maybe like a granola bar or something with like trail mix, something like that. So it's not real, but you can kind of pretend that you have some trail mix, something to sustain you on your hike. That's nice. You move the backpack over here. All right, let's dig into some of these other tools. Okay, we got some nice little binoculars. Has a little bit of movement, makes it feel more realistic, made out of plastic. When I'm looking in, it actually does work. So I can see things that are from a distance up close. That is really, really fun. Wow. Really nice. That's cool. That could fit right in the backpack. We have, let's see here. I want to get inside here. Some of these pieces. There we go. Oh, a little whistle. That's good for safety purposes. Let's see if it works. Oh, it does. Ah, that's cute. I didn't expect it to work. Very cute. I love that. Okay. And it's also not too loud, by the way. I'm just thinking, if you're worried about your kid walking through the house, just, like making a ton of noise with it, it's not very loud. So that's a safe noise level. Let's see, what is this? I want to get it out. Let's crack into this. Okay. Oh, okay. So it looks like a little badge. It's got a picture of a foot and maybe something. Oh, okay. So maybe it's like a do not walk here. Oh, it's for hiking. Oh, that's what it is. Okay, I'm realizing that's a hiking stick. Oh, that's cute. Okay, lots of little details. Really nice. Got a first aid kit. Pop that open. Oh, there's actually little first aid items. That's awesome. Little faux bandage. We have what maybe could be like an alcohol antibacterial pad and like a little pretend thing of gauze. That's really cute. Oh, wow. Melissa and Doug also has a, which I think is really fun, a reusable bandages set. That would actually go really well with this. You could pop those items right in here. Really cute. Really nice. Okay. We've got our compass. Teach about direction. Let's see. Some of these, it's got little utility pieces, little magnifying glass. Well, it looks like a little pretend knife. Really nice. That's really cute. And just fold right back in. Really nice. And last but not least, we have our water bottle. Want to make sure you're hydrating, encouraging drinking lots of water, especially when we're outside. Don't want to dehydrate. Safety first. I think a lot of these tools really encourage that. But also having a lot of fun too. How great. I really like this. You could actually put water in it if you wanted to. Yeah, a lot of great pieces. I really like that a lot. Cute.